In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail go dark mode in seconds. We all know that staring at bright screens for long periods can be quite straining on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Luckily, Gmail offers a dark mode that can help alleviate eye strain while giving your inbox a sleek, modern look. Let's dive in and see how you can switch to dark mode quickly and easily. First, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open up a drop-down menu. This is where you can access different settings that allow you to customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. After you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options, but the one you're looking for is labeled See All Settings. Click on this to enter the full settings page. Here's where the magic happens, but don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way, so it's a breeze. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to find the Theme tab. It's usually located toward the top of the settings page. When you click on the Theme tab, you'll be taken to a section where you can browse different themes that can change the visual appearance of your Gmail interface. Look for the option that says Set Theme. Now, when you click on Set Theme, a new window will pop up displaying a variety of theme options. From light and breezy to bold and colorful, there's something here for everyone's taste. But for today, we are focused on switching to dark mode. Scroll down and locate the dark theme. It's usually in the lower section because it's one of the more recent additions to Gmail's theme lineup. Once you've found the dark theme, click on it to apply. You'll notice that your inbox background changes immediately to a dark gray or black, making it easier on the eyes, especially if you're working in a dim environment or just prefer a more subdued look. After selecting the dark theme, you can click Save or OK to apply the changes and exit the theme selector. Congratulations, you've now successfully switched your Gmail to dark mode. Not only does it help reduce eye strain, but it also gives your inbox a professional and modern aesthetic. Remember, you can always return to the settings to switch back to a light theme or try out other themes if you want to change. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new, stylish inbox.